Hey guys, I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me for breakfast. What I usually make, well, I actually usually make this for dinner, but I'm going to be making this meal replacement shake for breakfast. And ignore this mess, I'm probably going to be editing this out. So I start with this, an empty blender glass, sorry I can't talk, for my, not my NutriBullet, but it's my, what do you call it again? My, forgot the name, but whatever. I start with that. And then I start with my organic meal replacement shake. Let me open that. I think I actually start with fruits first. Let me put the fruits inside and dump it all. I'm making a strawberry banana shake, so I'm going to start with some frozen fruits. You know what? Let me put the camera still here so you can see me making it, so I don't have to hold it. Let me just set it there. There you go. And let me set it. So I start with frozen fruits in my blender glass. Then I have my meal replacement shake. It's flavored in vanilla, but I can't really taste the vanilla, which is okay with me, because I'm not in it for the flavor. It just helps provide a thickness to it. So let me just get one scoop of this. It's actually kind of empty, so I just have to dig everything to the bottom so you can see it's like really empty in here. So that's about enough. I actually don't think I put enough fruit. Let me put some more. And then I'm going to put a little bit of milk. I forgot to bring my milk out. So let's take a trip to the fridge. Let's take a trip to the fridge. There's Whitley. Whitley, say hi. Say hi. There's Whitley. And we are going to get some Silk almond milk in vanilla. And I just like to turn it around a little bit to make sure that it gets to the bottom, so the powdery part gets watered too. Hi Whitley. Whitley wants my attention. What's wrong, Whitley? What's wrong? What's wrong, Whitley? What's wrong? What's wrong, Whitley? I gave you a treat. Go eat your treat. There we go. And let me get a spoon. I'm just trying to mix it to make sure that the powder didn't seep all the way to the bottom. It kind of does most of the time, so. Time to put a spoonful of yogurt inside for flavor. I'm just going to use my knife. And that's where I get my Chobani yogurt. There we go. I guess that's enough. We don't want to put too much. And then mix, 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 mix. Oops. Whitley's running around like she saw a ghost. Just making sure she's okay. Whitley! There we go. Now we're gonna blend it. Let's go. Up we go to the blender. Magic bullet, that's what it was called. You okay? And now we're gonna blend it. Now let's check on this wonderful masterpiece. Hopefully it tastes good. Let's check on this wonderful masterpiece and pray that it tastes good. Let's look at it. Oops. The consistency looks pretty good. It looks good. Now let me get my knife back. Yep, it's done. Good. Time to pour it in our jug. Oops. Thanks, and there you go, you guys. You just got ready with me. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks, guys.